In this Argos support video, we will show you how to safely replace the cutting blade on your mower. These steps will help maintain optimal cutting performance and ensure safe operation of your product. Firstly, ensure the mower is turned off. Remove the battery pack and isolator key before carrying out any maintenance. Next, put on protective gloves. Firmly hold the blade to prevent movement during removal. Using a suitable wrench, loosen the blade bolt by turning it anti-clockwise. Carefully remove the bolt along with the cutting blade. Now position the new blade. Ensure you are using a replacement of the same type as the original. Attach the blade onto the spindle. Check that the blade is correctly aligned before securing it. Reattach the bolt and tighten it clockwise. Once secured, double-check that the blade is firmly in place. For best performance, it's recommended to replace the cutting blade after 50 hours of mowing or every 2 years, whichever comes first, regardless of condition. Following these steps will help keep your mower operating safely and efficiently. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.